Alright, got a Rich break. What's up, Rich? I'm gonna try a 0910 hockey 68. Bang. Pick box 08 for a black football. And then chrome and chrome. Here's the chrome with the logos, one by the head and one by the arm and one down on his forearm and the two. But anyway, we're gonna start with the baseball and the hockey, and we'll do two videos. We'll come back and do the football. Actually, grab them like that. There we go. Upside down. Jason Donald, rookie. Carlos, man, they all gonna be upside down. Santana, Wilson Ramos, Steven Strasburg, Mike McCoy, Ubaldo Jimenez, refractor. Base. Oh, David Ortiz, refractor. Base. Manzella Valdez. Rookie card of Takashi. All those are upside down. A refractor of Ryan Zimmerman. Just base. Mike Stanton, John Eli, and Orlando Hudson, refractor. Mejia Nova, number to 199, blue, Zach Greinke. Alright. Wade Davis. Number to 999, Shane Victorino. Jay Bruce, refractor. Here's one, Ian Desmond, autograph, rookie. Oops, there we go. Mike Pelfrey, refractor. Oh, this pack only had 3. Last box did that too, so one should have 5 in it to make up for that. That's the way it did last box. Base. Drew Stubbs, Tyler Colvin, refractor. Ian Desmond, and the autograph, John Eli. I can see that it's reflecting. There we go. John Donaldson, Alan Craig, Ryan Howard, refractor. Mike Leake, Benjamin. Oh, maybe you're not getting a 5. You got shorted a base card. And base. Alright. I'm going to save these packs for you. I'll mail them with your thing. So you can get your free pack of cards. Alright, certified hockey. Duncan Keith to 250. Number to 250, Zeno Chara. Fabric of the game. Certified Champions, Cam Ward, number to 500. Another Certified Champions, Patrick Kane. Oh, it was number to 250. Autograph, Nick Spalling, number to 250. Okay. Mike Richards red, number to 250. Brian Giunta, number to 250 jumbo jersey. They make that in patch version. I saw one yesterday. Mask Marvels, Steve Velquetti, number to 500. Number to 10. Oh, it's a triple patch. Andy Green. These are all base. I'll show you the patch. It says NHL. It's patch, patch, patch. Numbered 4 of 10 on that one. Are we kidding here? Jesus, that pack did not want to come out. Another autograph, Bobby Butler, number to 12.99. And base. Okie doke. Be right back with round 2, Rich. See ya.